Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg sandwich recipe, only ways. Start by gathering 2 fresh eggs, bread, butter, salt, and pepper. Crack the eggs, whisk lightly, and preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Melt a pat of butter to coat the pan surface evenly. Cook gently while stirring for a soft scramble, then assemble immediately between toasted bread for best texture and warmth. To make this egg sandwich, measure and prep everything first to keep the cook time consistent and stress-free. Beat the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper and have your butter at room temperature for even melting. Heat the pan so butter sizzles but does not brown, and toast the bread lightly so it holds the egg without becoming soggy. Assemble right after cooking for the best bite. Begin by whisking the eggs until they are just combined and slightly foamy to trap air for tenderness. Add butter to the pan and pour in eggs, stirring slowly with a spatula to form soft curds. Remove from heat just before fully set so residual heat finishes them. Butter the bread if desired, layer the eggs, and add any optional cheese or greens. Press the sandwich gently and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.